This is my first time out here fishing on a kayak. I've never owned a kayak. Luckily, my buddy Renee over here, we did a trade, and he got a really cool ice chest, and I got a really cool kayak. So we'll see if I don't fall in this water today. It should be interesting. Wow, that's not beautiful. I don't know what is. Yeah, Town Lake, downtown Austin. Beautiful. All right, I'm here next to my buddy, Renee, retired Austin firefighter. They're not that bad. They're all right. Oh, dang. He's a big one. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. He's a nice one. I don't know how to net this thing. Oh, dang. Dude, he's big. Oh, no way. Did you see that? Oh, I hope you all got to see that. That was awesome. Hey, white carnal. Here you go. That's what I was using right there. He tore it up. Oh my gosh.
Oh, damn it, bro. He got off? Damn it, bro.